If you're looking for a luxury hotel in Hoi An without spending hundreds of dollars per night, this might be one of the best value options in Vietnam. I paid around $60 for a deluxe double room booked through Agoda, and thanks to my platinum status, I was able to maximize the discount. But here's the question: does this independent 5-star hotel actually deliver a 5-star experience? Or is it simply excellent value for money? After spending time here, I'll show you everything from room and facilities to breakfast and give you an honest verdict at the end. One thing I always look for when arriving at a hotel is how it makes you feel in those first few minutes. Straight away, we were welcomed with cold towels and a complimentary drink, which instantly creates that luxury atmosphere. The staff throughout the stay were consistently friendly, and something I really appreciated was that the hotel even arranged a free taxi into the old town, which is a nice touch you don't often see. This property sees a lot of guests coming through every day, but service never felt rushed. What actually attracted me to Grand Sunrise Palace wasn't the brand name, because unlike Da Nang, Hoi An doesn't have many international chains like Hilton, Radisson or IHG. Instead, it was the room design. The interior has a very traditional Vietnamese feel, which gives it more character than some of the generic rooms you find in global hotel brands. It feels authentic without sacrificing comfort. If you're somebody who likes unique interiors rather than corporate design, this room definitely stands out. For the price point, the bathroom was impressive and everything felt clean and well maintained. At around $60 a night, it's hard to complain because you're getting amenities and room quality that would probably cost significantly more in many other destinations across Asia. One of the biggest highlights for me was having 2 swimming pools. A lot of hotels advertise a beautiful infinity pool, but having multiple options means you never really feel overcrowded. If you're staying several nights, that flexibility actually adds a lot to the experience and makes the property feel larger than it really is. Breakfast offer plenty of varieties with both Asian and Western options, so most guests should find something they enjoy. However, I have to be honest, the pastries were disappointing. They were hard and stale, as if they had been put out several days in a row. Everything else though was pretty solid, but if you're somebody who loves a strong bakery selection, this isn't one of the standout breakfast buffets you'll find in Vietnam. Still, considering the price, the overall breakfast experience represents very good value. The gym was probably my biggest disappointment. Considering the hotel is only around a year old, the fitness area already feels a little dated. Lighting was quite dim, and the equipment setup lacked that premium feel you'd expect from a true 5-star property. It's perfectly usable, but compared to what you'll find at international brands like Hilton or Radisson, this area definitely falls short. Is Grand Sunrise Palace really a 5-star hotel? Personally, I'd say yes on paper, but not in execution. Compared with international brands like Hilton, Radisson or IHG Properties, the level of refinement isn't quite there. There are no standout features that make this hotel truly memorable, and some areas like the gym don't feel premium enough. But here's the thing, at roughly $60 a night, value for money is simply outstanding. You've got friendly service, beautiful traditional Vietnamese-inspired rooms, 2 swimming pools, generous breakfast options, and thoughtful extras like complimentary transportation into town. For an independent hotel, the quality is genuinely impressive. Would I choose it over a Hilton or Radisson if prices were similar? Absolutely not. But at this price point, Grand Sunrise Palace delivers something that's increasingly difficult to find. Real luxury without the luxury price tag. And for that reason, I think it's one of the best value stays in Hoi An. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Join me next time when we check out one of Hoi An's flagship properties, the Signature Resort.